students, welcome to your social class once again. Today we are continuing the same chapter of economics for class 10th, chapter number 1, development. In this chapter we have read the points which we are going to cover, and yesterday we have covered the first point, what development promises different people different goals. We have come to know about the different goals of different people, like prosperous farmers have different goals, landless laborers have different goals, rich families boy has different goal, and rich families girls has different goals. Same way, an unemployed youth of a city has different goals. So all these goals we have come to know that sometimes the one goal of person is not the same goal of another person, and sometimes they are contradictory also, like a goal of a person can be harmful for the other person. So in this part of the chapter, we are going to cover the next point, income and other goals. What are the other goals of people than income? Earning money is a very important goal, but besides that, what are the other goals? So our topic number 2 for today is income and other goals. If we go to yesterday's points, we find that although everybody has their different goals, but one common thing what people desire are regular work, better wages, and decent price for their crops or other products. In other words, they want more income. So, whatever goal there may be for everybody, it may be different, but the common thing among their goals is better income for everyone. What are the other goals besides income? Besides looking for more income, people also look for things like not only the income, good income is important for the people. There are other things also in life which are equally important for the people. First is equal treatment. They need equal treatment with everyone, not one is discriminated with the other. Freedom, they need freedom of thinking, opportunities, everything. Security also they need as well, and respect for others. They need respectful life. They dislike discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, they may be more important. Sometimes these goals, freedom, security, respect, etc., become more important than income and consumption. So, these are equally important like income. Reason is obvious for giving them more importance. Material goods are not all that you need to live. You need all kind of better treatment, respect, security, freedom also to live a good life. Money or material things which we buy with money is only one factor on which our life depends. This is not all on which our life depends. There are other things also on which our life depends broadly. But the quality of our life also depends on non-material things which are discussed above, like respect, security, freedom, etc. We can understand it by a few examples how these things, respect, security, freedom, all these things, equal treatment, are important for our life as well as money. Besides earning money, we desire for friends. So role of friendship is similarly important in our life as money. Suppose you have a lot of money but you don't have a single friend. You can imagine your life, how lonely you will feel. So friendship is equally important as money. There are many things that cannot be measured easily like money. Money you can measure, you have this much money, but you can't measure other things which are important in your life. Like you can't measure respect, you can't measure freedom, you can't measure security, but they mean a lot to our lives, which generally we ignore because we get them easily. So we don't give them much value like money. So it will be wrong to think that what cannot be measured is not important. Talking about another example, if we get a job in a far away place, before accepting it, we would try to consider many factors apart from income. If the income is very good, the job which we are getting, still we will consider some more things to accept that job other than the income? What are that factors? These factors may be other facilities for our family. There should be access to everything: school, hospitals, markets, everything should be there. If that place is very far off, all these things should be present there for the family. Working atmosphere of the workplace should be very positive, and there should not be any politics of any kind. The colleagues should be cooperative, all that things we see. And third important thing about that job would be opportunity to learn. You will see that is there any opportunity to learn something new in that job, then only you will go for accepting that job, otherwise not. In conclusion, we can say that a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment that improves your sense of security. So here we can see that some jobs can give you less pay, but they are regular jobs for you, they are permanent for you, and you will feel a sense of security that regular income is coming to your house. Another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security. Anytime you can be taken out from that job and it is giving you high income. So it is not a good thing for you. You will not accept it despite having a lot of payment for it, and also leave no time. Another problem in that job may be there will no any time left for your family, will and it will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Like if you don't have time for your family, you will feel like bound, and sense of security will be lessened. So you would not like to accept that kind of job although it is giving you high income. So, with the given examples, it is quite clear that for development, people look at a mix of goals. Not only one goal they are looking to, they look at a mix of goals. Development goals for a woman. What can be the development goals for a woman? We see that if women are engaged in paid jobs, their dignity in the household and society increases. But it is also true that if there is respect for women's job, there would be more sharing of housework. It is also true that if a woman of a house is a working woman, she needs support in the family, in the household work also, and people give that, and other members of the family accept her working outside the house and adjust themselves accordingly. Another important factor about women working outside is that a safe and secure environment at workplace may encourage more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. They will be encouraged more to take up jobs outside if they are finding good atmosphere, safe atmosphere to work there. Hence, it is proved that the developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. That is all for today's topic. In the next part, we will read the new topic and its details. Till then, you do the practice of this chapter, learn the things, and thank you so much.